Which one has it? Get your thing and let's shoot this last one. And here shortly you ought to go see if Cody can come over or even spend the night.
There you go. Tommy, anyway. It's for YouTube. Guns! YouTube, my eye!
Okay, now shoot that balloon. If you don't shoot it, I'm gonna hurt you. How come you like that one?
Make sure I like the scope. Make sure we come unplugged.
It's not coming unplugged, Joe. It's fine.
I think I'm loose. I want the dogs to eat nuts from.
We gotta hurry because I gotta feed the dogs real quick, and me and Joy's gotta run and see somebody real quick.
I'm harder now, but it's left the flesh up. Make sure you get some front anyway. I'm hard right now. How well the gun?
All this stuff out here, leave it out here. All the chairs and stuff, I'll get them here shortly. We might come out later and see if we want to start a fire or something in there. Okay, Joe is going to shoot.
Yeah, here it is. YouTube, guns.
He got it. Happy birthday, Joe. We all love you very, very much. Happy 34th birthday.
It's done.
It's done.
Bye.